Hello, in this short video class I want to explain you how to conduct price chart scaling, how to conduct squaring of price chart using timing solution. Actually using one module, precise charting module in timing solution version, Terra Incognita version. Actually I got many questions, many propositions how to do it last 2 days, and now I want to show you what can we do right now using current version of timing solution. Today is April 14, 2016. Okay, as it is now, I see two variants to conduct price chart squaring. The first variant, this is using 45 degrees trend lines or any other, by the way, trend lines. And the second variant using ideal geometrical figures. Okay, I will explain first variant using 45 degrees trend lines. This is timing solution. This is some price chart. Apple. Okay, and now I run a precise charting module. Now what I do? I just draw some trend line, this trend line that connects like some two turning points. Let it will be this turning point. Okay, good. And now what I want to do? I want to modify the scale for this paper to make this trend line 45 degrees, to make inclination of this trend line exactly 45 degrees. Just click this paper scaling button. Sorry, I should close this one. Okay, click paper scaling. This is new button. And now you can use these buttons to stretch paper or squeeze it or do it higher. Okay, and you see we want to modify the price, the scale to make this line 45 degrees. Actually, what we can do, we can use this protractor. It shows the angle. You see these red lines, it shows the angle of this trend line. By the way, if you draw one more trend line, okay, you see it shows the angle of this second trend line. And whatever, you can draw as many lines as you need, and all of them will be displayed here. Okay, I will remove the second trend line, and now I want to modify this. You see, I got this is 1-to-1, it's 45 degrees. Or there is one more feature I will show you. I close protractor. You see, highlight this trend line, and this red big red square button for squaring. Click it, and there is first option here, modify paper scale to make one price scale unit equal one time scale unit. Okay, click it. You see the scale changed, modified, and now this is exactly 45 degrees angle. Exactly. And now what we can do? Now we can do everything. For example, we can draw ideal triangle, like triangle that connects this turning point, this turning point. It's just example, not trading advice, of course. And this. And now we highlight this triangle and click this big red button. Convert triangle to ideal equiside triangle. Here it is. You see, this is ideal triangle now. Good. The same way we can draw like ideal square, free rectangle. Yep. Okay. Highlight, it's already highlighted, free rectangle, and modify, convert rectangle to ideal square. Okay, you see, this is ideal square, ideal rectangle. Now, as we can draw some another trend line, like a trend line that connects this trend line, this turning point, and this one. Okay. And now we can modify. By the way, I want to show you one feature. For example, we need to know. We see we have a list of all charting tools there, and we need to know this trend line. Just click it, you see, and it will highlight this trend line, like this one. This trend line, click here. This is this free rectangle. So now we'll choose highlight last trend line, okay, and now we will modify the scale, paper scale, for this to make this trend line 45 degrees. Okay, unless it will be not 45 degrees, it will be some another angle. Let it will be 63 degrees. One price unit equal one time unit. It will be 63 degrees. Okay, and now the same way we can draw any figures, ideal figures. Anytime we can return to our initial scale. So we can do everything. So now I close all. I will remove all these charting tools, and I will show you another feature available today. It's available, by the way, in today version, in today update of Timing Solution. Okay, let's draw free Gantt square charting tool. Click this button. You see there is free Gantt square. You will see why I will use free Gantt square charting tool. Okay, and I draw it starting from this point. It will hit this point and some whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, now I want to make this free Gantt square. I want to modify it to make it ideal geometrical figure. Click this button, convert rectangle to ideal rectangle. See, it's ideal rectangle now. By the way, you can do it. Maybe we'll remove a lot of beauties here. I will remove some of them. Okay, okay, and now I want to modify the price chart. You see, while you stretch the price chart, this Gantt square modifies as well. It's not ideal now, and now we need to convert it once again. But you can do it this way. You can highlight it here, clear, and choose here this option, ideal free Gantt square. So we will modify the price scale, and the program will modify the free Gantt square figure as well. It will be always ideal square. And now we try to play with what we can get. Okay, okie-dokie. You see? You see, it hits this point. By the way, we can use this accuracy. Maybe I do it smoother. No. Or some other feature. For example, we want to modify a scale this way to get this point. Let's play different. Just a second, show you. I want to modify this turning point should hit this midline. You see, this turning point should hit this midline. Modify it. Nope. Okay, or some any other turning points. You can play with scale. It's a lot of options there. Sometimes it's simply impossible to hit some points. Okay. The same way, by the way, we can use, for example, draw ideal triangle. Let's it will connects these turning points. Okay. Okay, and now I will highlight this triangle. I will remove this charting tool, and now I will modify this. The program will change the, you see, it's always ideal triangle, and now we try to change the scale to get for example this point or some other point. This. You see, we try to find the scale so to hit these turning points. Set. Yep. As you see, there are a lot of variants here. You can modify it many ways. Okay, I need to modify this. Okay, thank you.